everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventure, and I'm so excited because today is Tipsy Tuesday. And what does that mean? It means it's tip day. So today I want to start off with 5 plus, so 5 and an encore tips on how to make your diamond painting experience pleasant, enjoyable, and just an all-around good time. So the first tip, one I have for you, is choose a design you love. When I first started diamond painting, there was probably a handful of paintings to choose from. Now the sky is the limit. There's custom paintings, there's AliExpress, which is this huge area, there's Amazon, there's Joann Fabrics and Michaels and Hobby Lobby, and oh my goodness, there are so many paintings. And so my first tip is find one that you love. As you can see back here, I love flowers, not necessarily landscape, but flowers. I also have another sunflower right here to show you. So I love the blue in this background. So when you're looking for a diamond painting, look for something that just speaks to you. Another example I have hiding over here is I love the drama of animals. Look at that tiger. Is it not gorgeous? So definitely look for a design that you love, okay? Tip number 2 is know what to expect, all right? When I was first learning how to diamond paint, I did not realize there's a difference between full coverage or full drill area and a partial. And so I would buy diamond paintings and receive them and be very disappointed. So number 1, read the box. Okay, so this is an example of a diamond art. It's a leisure art diamond dot, something that you might pick up at a local craft store. They are fantastic. Let me find it. And telling you what to expect. Oh my goodness, it was hiding on me, people. So here they show you, this is the drilling area, but then this is what the picture looks like. So when I buy this and I open it, I am not disappointed when I see that this is painted, but then this is where I am going to place my diamonds because I did my research. Now, if you're doing purchasing on Amazon, if it does not say full coverage or full drill, then you are going to get what's called a partial, which is just similar like this. That means part of the painting is being drilled, not the full painting. Where this one, the whole painting is drilled, even this outside portion. So definitely be reading the descriptions, the fine print, and you'll be fine. The third thing is know your tools. Every diamond painting comes with a standard toolkit, or some of the higher end diamond paintings, they upgrade the toolkit. Funny story, the first time I diamond painted, I was like, I have no idea how to get the diamonds from the little baggie onto the canvas. Well, you use a pen that has a single placer applicator on the top. Then I did not know how to get the diamonds from the baggie to here to the canvas. Then I realized, because the instructions were in Chinese and there weren't a lot of YouTube videos out there, that it came with wax, and I punch the wax with the single placer. The wax then is sticky enough to pick up the diamond, but not sticky enough to keep the diamond on the pen once it hits the glue on the canvas. Another side tip, encore tip, is make sure that you take the plastic off of the wax. I have many times had a brain fart and put the pen going, where is the wax on the pen? Well, I forgot to remove the plastic. So make sure you do that. You punch it, see my little hole there, and then there's wax. You can see kind of the pink. Okay, it doesn't want to focus here. The pink is in there, and now it's ready to go. So, and then you'll also get a tray. The diamonds go in the tray. The tray has ridges on it, so when you shake it, all the diamonds are face up so that you can pick them up like so. when you do this, I have a beginner's basic video coming out this weekend, or if you're seeing this a little bit down the road, check it out in the playlist that I am creating, beginner's basics on how to actually diamond paint and different things that I've learned and funny stories of what I did that went wrong in that beginner basics. Another thing you might have seen is sometimes companies will send tweezers. Normally this is for square diamond paintings because you can place with tweezers. I'm not an expert at that, but I have plenty of friends who are, so I may hook you up with one of their videos in the future. So the fourth tip, okay? First tip, choose a design you love. Second tip, know what you're getting in your project. Third tip, know your tools. Fourth tip, comfortable setting. Okay, make sure once you start a diamond painting, you are going to be an addict, addicted. So you're gonna want a place that you can spend 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours at in a comfortable area. Have a comfortable seat. Think of if you're going to work, you are actually going to be drilling. I'm looking down as if I'm drilling. Your neck is going to be put forward. You may want to get an easel. Those kind of tips are coming up every Tipsy Tuesday, so pay attention to the playlist to find what's up. Subscribe down below, hit the bell, and you will know when another Tipsy Tuesday is coming up. But have your setting be relaxing. Figure out lighting, figure out heat, blanket, stool to put your feet on, anything like that. Make yourself comfortable. And the fifth one is be okay with saying goodbye. What do I mean by that? You may get a painting that you want to pull your hair. Maybe the drills are popping. We'll explain that soon. That's where the drills do not stick to the glue, and even if you touch it, they pop off the canvas and you want to pull your hair out. You might get a painting that the glue did not get attached to the canvas correctly. You might get a painting where the charting of the colors was wrong, and so as you're continuing the painting, you're like, oh, this just looks like blob, or I got this painting too small, I didn't get it big enough, and so the details aren't there. To get the pleasant experience, to get an experience that you're gonna love and that you're gonna enjoy, be okay with saying goodbye. You know, put it in your portfolio, throw it away, whatever you want, because it's not worth, your time and energy is worth more than spending $10 or $15 on a painting. So definitely find one that you love and pay attention, read the details, know your tool settings, have a comfortable place, and be okay saying goodbye, because it's all about you. It's all about loving the addiction. And so yes, it's very hard for me to say goodbye. There's 2 paintings that I've actually stopped because I am somebody who doesn't like to start something and not finish it, but I did stop them because I'm like, this is nuts. I'm wasting hours and hours of time on something that I'm not going to enjoy. I'm not going to frame it. I'm not going to put it in a portfolio. And so why do it? And so that's my example for you. And the last, another encore tip is definitely stay hydrated. If you are an addiction addict like me, yep, that's a double addict, a diamond addiction addict like me, then you are going to want a drink next to you. I have coffee. I also have water, and every now and then you'll get a soda in the shot on my videos. Also make sure that you stand up and stretch. So if you're watching a YouTube show or Hulu or Netflix, you know, every 20 minutes to 40 minutes, when your show ends and you go to the next one on your playlist, stand up, go to the bathroom, feed the dog. Don't forget to feed the cat either. Take a walk. Get yourself some more water. The more water that you drink, the more you'll have to go to the bathroom, the more you can stretch. So that's my encore tip for you. So you have 5+ tips in this on Tipsy Tuesday. So I hope you enjoy diamond painting, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.